on your 8, trust me, I love that. That's such a nice feeling. So much like feel on your little board too. Because I skate an 8 with 8s, or like 139s now. I wish I still had 149s, they're so good.